Hello everyone, in this video you will see how to add a blue light card to the Asda Rewards app. If you haven't already, download and install the Asda app on your mobile device. You can find it on the App Store for iOS, Google Play for Android. Launch the app on your device and log into your account. If you don't have one, create one. Look for a section in the app related to rewards or loyalty programs. This may be labeled as Asda Rewards, My Account, or something similar. Within the rewards section, there should be an option to add or link your blue light card. This could be under a loyalty cards or add card section. When prompted, enter your blue light card details. This typically includes your blue light card number and possibly other information, like your name or email associated with the card. After entering the required information, verify that everything is correct. Double check your blue light card number to ensure accuracy. Once verified, save the changes or confirm the addition of your blue light card to the Asda Rewards app. You should receive a confirmation message or notification that your blue light card has been successfully added to the Asda app. Now that your blue light card is linked to the Asda app, you can use it to access any relevant discounts, offers, or benefits available to the BLC holders card within the Asda Rewards program. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.